Have you ever tried joining a Roblox game and suddenly got hit with a message? Not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings? Yeah, super annoying. But don't worry, today I'll show you the new 2025 method to fix this error quickly and safely so you can jump right back into your game. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the main page, head over to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the drop-down, choose Settings to open your account menu. Now on the left side, look for Privacy or Privacy and Content Restrictions. Go ahead and click that. This is where Roblox controls which types of experiences you're allowed to join. Next, find the section called Content Maturity. When you open it, you'll see several options: minimal, mild, moderate, and restricted. Here's the important part. If your account is currently set to minimal, Roblox might block you from certain experiences even if they aren't actually unsafe. To fix this, try switching the option to restricted, but keep in mind that restricted is only available for users 17 plus with age verification. Roblox will prompt you to verify if you haven't already. If you can't verify your age or you're unable to use restricted, no worries, just switch your setting to moderate instead. Moderate still unlocks most experiences and removes the not authorized error for the majority of players. After changing the setting, back out of the menu, restart Roblox if needed, and try rejoining the game. The error should now be gone. And that's it. Super quick and super simple. Your Roblox privacy settings are now updated and you should be able to join experiences without any issue. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more easy tech and Roblox fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.